So third point today about reducing the heart problem in doing lifestyle changes. Let's discuss about a very interesting scientific research that was about Mediterranean diet. So it is very difficult to do a research about in say thousands of patients by changing a diet and to see whether it affects. It's very easy if you cut down the salt and study and see that blood pressure goes down. But in a large number of patients, you are changing the whole diet, and after 3 or 5 years, we are trying to see whether heart problems were going down. So these are the researchers from this Predimed study. This is the only study which has shown that a nutrition intervention, a dietary intervention in patients with a high risk of heart problem actually reduce the heart problem risk. So this was a Predimed study. So hats off to all the investigator. Let's see in next 3 minutes what it is. Next slide. So the patients were about around 50 to 60 years old men and women, and they had all these risk factors which we discussed: smoking, blood pressure, diabetes, family history of heart disease, obesity, as we said, visceral, and different bad cholesterol was high. So these people were categorized into 3 groups. So one was a control diet. So this group was advised about a good life, like you listen to the lectures that have a good diet, do exercise every day, and they were followed. But one group was asked to take particularly Mediterranean diet. One was high in olive oil and one was very high in nuts, almost 1 ounce of nuts every day. Next slide. So this was with nuts, and this was more of an olive oil every day, and this was about 7,000 people. It was from different countries in Europe. So it was not an easy study to do. Next one. What it showed that compared to general advice on diet which followed a good diet and exercise, the people who followed Mediterranean diet, which was compulsory Mediterranean diet every day with the nuts and olive oils, you can see how much is the heart problems are reduced, and it was significant. That is the showing the p-value. So this was the first intervention done through dietary patterns which showed a significant reduction in heart problems. So this was a great kind of a research, kind of an eye-opener, because as I said, it is very difficult to prove in a large number of patients with dietary interventions. So it reduces diabetes, it reduces heart problems, and this is what is actually Mediterranean diet. So we know there is olive oil, we know there are nuts, the fats are not, we know these are not saturated fats, there is lots of fish, lots of fresh vegetable, lots of fresh fruits, and there is wine. So this is typical Mediterranean diet. So should we start following Mediterranean diet? It's not possible, and it's difficult because olive oil, if you get it from Europe to India, keep it in the warm temperature, it may lose all its good effects. So it's not just following blindly. So every area in the world, next slide, yeah. So it is Indianized Mediterranean diet. So all the good effect of Mediterranean diet can be seen in lot of Indian ingredients. Mainly lots of fresh vegetables, fruits, we have a kind of a ghee, we can use olive oil and nuts. So actually this again and again shows having at least one snack of nuts every day definitely will reduce the overall risk of getting the heart problems. So that was about the Mediterranean diet.